Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful friends, we're going to be making a really fun hot chocolate bomb kit. So I bought these like skeleton. These are so cute. These skeleton hot chocolate bombs at Target. And I thought these would be great to make like a little kit for your friends and family, yeah? So let's do this together. I made some here, which I think that they turned out so cute. I made these for my co-workers, and I have one more to create, and I want to show you guys how to make it. In the event that you need to create it for your family, for your friends, for your children, for your co-workers, maybe you're doing like a Halloween party, awesome. Okay, so find yourself these really fun Halloween hot chocolate bombs. Now you could get these really anywhere. Target has them, Michael has them. I've seen them at Walmart. You can really find these anywhere. I'll be honest, these are not that hard to find. Even like TJ Maxx has like these really fun like 12 packs that would really work for this project. If you have like a lot of friends, if you have like maybe a favor Halloween bags you want to give out to your visitors, or if you have a whole bunch that you need to put together, definitely stop by TJ Maxx or Marshall's, because they do have these in a set of 12. So we're going to actually put this together. All right, so I have here my beautiful, really creepy looking, but it looks like it tastes yummy, hot chocolate bomb skeleton. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually add one of these hot chocolate, hot cocoa mix. You could get these anywhere. Any market has them, really anywhere. Even Dollar Tree sells these. You can get these at Dollar General, really anywhere. So what I did is I'm going to add one of these little hot cocoa little baggies to the kit, and we're going to add other things. So the Dollar Tree, I bought these really fun little tints that there were 3 of them for $1.25, and I thought these little tints were super adorable, and I wanted to use them for this project. So what I did here is I have my little tint right here, all right? And so I originally thought I wanted to put the hot chocolate inside the tint, which it actually looks really nice, but I quickly changed my mind. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add one of these little really fun monster marshmallow. These are so good. They're so cute. I got these, I think I got these at Target, and they're stuffed puffs, but they are the Halloween ones, and they're just so good. They look so yummy. Can you see in there all those wonderful colors? How freaking delicious are these? You could just give these out like that, just like a little tiny little favors too. These are really fun. So we're going to add 2 of these to our little kit. We're going to add one of these little tints, and we're going to add a hot chocolate mix. Obviously, if you want to change this around, you're welcome to, okay? So I'm going to add one of these little stuffed puff in here. I also saw these in ShopRite. So if you're like maybe shopping in the grocery stores or the supermarkets, you can probably find those there as well. All right, so I'm using one of these again because I have tons of these, right? So I have here, I think this is too big, but I guess we can cut it. All right, that's fine. I have here this tool that I like to use to wrap my little treats around. So I cut a decent size, right? This is a really way too big, but that's okay. And what I want to do is I'm going to add in here, we're going to add, I need space. In the middle, we're going to add the hot the hot chocolate bomb. And then we're going to add the little tint with one of the little puffs in here. On the back, we're going to add the really delicious hot cocoa mix. I'm going to face it this way on the back. And I'm going to top it off with another one of these adorable little marshmallow puffs. You can also add that to your hot chocolate as well. And then we're going to kind of put these together. It's going to be a little bit hard, but you know, you work around it, okay? So what I like to do is I like to pick this part here first, and then I pick this part here, and I see if it's centered, then it's great. If it's not, then I have to adjust it. This is not really centered, so let me adjust it a little bit so I can have sort of kind of even amount on both ends, okay? Like that. So we're going to add the puffs in here, all right? And then we're just gonna grab this like this, okay? Grab it from one end, grab it from the other end, and now we're just gonna have to play around with it, okay? See how we like it. Obviously it doesn't look good like that, so I'm going to kind of play around with it, and I'm gonna add my puff on top of my little tint, okay? And just play around with it and see how you like it, all right? A little bit of fnimmling around, fnimlimlimlimling, flimlimlimlimling. Okay, hold on. All right. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to kind of play around with this, but you'll get it, okay? You'll find the way to do it, and you'll get it, okay? I was thinking of doing these two together, but that didn't really work for me when I tried to do that. So it's just a matter of playing around with it, okay? All right, so this is one part. This is another part. This is another part. Gather it around here, and we're gonna gather it around here. All right, there you go. Perfect. Nice. Okay, see? My little kit looks nice like that. I like it like that. The back shows the hot cocoa. That's exactly how I want it. All right, make sure that everything looks exactly how you like it to look. If you think you need to fix it, then go right ahead and fix it. I might want to move the handle of my little pail to the back because I don't like the way that looks sticking out there. So, okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. There we go. I think that looks good. I like that. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Okay, perfect. So let's take some twine. Let's take some ribbon. Halloween ribbon will be great for this. Maybe twine. I like to use this orange twine. I'm obsessed with it. And so I'm going to wrap this around really tight, guys. Like really tight. 2 times, okay? 1 time, really tight. And then 2 times. And then come back to the front. And then tie that really, really tight. Make a really tight knot. 1 knot, really, 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 really tight. And then just cut off. And make a nice little bow. Really tight bow also, if you can, okay? Really tight bow. There we go. Perfect. And now, our little kit looks adorable. Now, this is way too big. Way too big. So I'm going to cut this off a little bit. I want some poofiness, but that's too much poof. All right. And then I'm going to cut this off because I think this is too long. Just a little bit, not too much. There you go. And voila. And that's how we put this adorable little kit together. So simple, isn't it? This is such a great little project. So simple, so quick and fast and easy. And just really, really, really fun to give out to your friends. I love it. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make this. Now, we're going to make a embellishment for this on our next tutorial. I'm thinking of using some embellishments because I think it looks pretty like this, but I want to add a nice embellishment to the front. So we'll be doing that next, okay, my loves? All right. I love you. See you soon.